here we are, July 21st, 2020. Look at this. This is a nearly perfect pizza crust. Got to do a little shout out here to Vito Iacopelli. This guy right here. This guy's like the best YouTube pizza chef there is. And it was with Vito's help that I went from having the worst pizza crust in the world, come on, focus, camera, you're missing it all, to having perfect, look at this, bubbly, puffy. I made this with a poulish, which is a pre-ferment mix, and this has been slow fermenting in the fridge for 24 hours since yesterday, and it's perfect. Look at this. I'm going to cut it. Slices up beautiful. Look at that. Fluffy, crunchy. Got some big holes in there, some small holes. I got probably a 70% or so hydration. I don't measure anything. I do it all by eye, but it's going to be really hot. I don't know if I can try it yet. Oh man, it is so good. I use King Arthur high protein flour, and man, the texture, the flavor is just awesome. Better than any pizza place in town. Thank you, Vito. Cut.